In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GIMP like Photoshop. If you're switching from Photoshop to GIMP, a few quick tweaks can make GIMP feel instantly familiar. We'll focus on three simple changes: turning on single window mode, arranging your panels to mirror Photoshop's layout, and customizing your keyboard shortcuts so your muscle memory just works. First, let's make GIMP behave like one clean, unified app window. Go to the top menu and choose Windows, then click Single Window Mode. If it's already checked, you're set. This gathers your canvas and all the docs and dialogues into one frame, so you don't have floating panels getting lost behind other windows. It also makes it easier to maximize your workspace and switch between programs without juggling stray toolboxes. Next, let's arrange the panels so things are where you expect them. Think of the Photoshop-style layout: tools on the left, with their options directly beneath, and your layers and brushes over on the right. In GIMP, you can drag panels by their tab titles, or by the small handle area beside the tab. When you drag, look for a highlighted area to show where the panel will dock. Drop the main Tools dock on the left, then place Tool options directly under it, so any tool you choose reveals its settings right where you're looking. On the right side, keep your Layers panel handy at the top and dock brushes nearby so you can swap brushes without leaving the Layers view. You can stack these as tabs or as vertical sections, whichever feels most efficient. Adjust the dividers to give layers a bit more room if you work with many of them. GIMP will remember your layout the next time you open it. Finally, customize your keyboard shortcuts to match what your hands already know. Go to Edit, then Keyboard Shortcuts. Use the search box to find a tool. Click in the shortcut field and press the key you want. If there's a conflict, GIMP will prompt you so you can resolve it. Set familiar mappings. For example, B for brush, V for the move tool, and T for text. If you prefer, you can also assign M to move to match your habits. The goal is to reduce friction so you stop hunting and start creating. Take a moment to test your most used tools and confirm they switch instantly with your chosen keys. With single window mode enabled, panels arranged like home, and shortcuts tuned to your workflow, GIMP will feel a lot more like Photoshop, without changing how GIMP actually works. Happy editing!